What starts as a routine domestic disturbance call quickly spirals into a constitutional rights showdown that'll leave you questioning everything you know about police procedure. We've got a man who claims to know every law backward and forward going toe to toe with officers over a simple name request, an alleged football throwing incident, and a family dispute that ends with handcuffs and serious charges. Buckle up, this body cam footage is about to get intense.
What's going on?
That white bitch out front. No disrespect to your company.
Hey, you care to come over here with me, man?
So what? No, I'm on the sidewalk.
That's fine. I just want to talk to you.
On private property. You come up here and talk to me.
I just want to talk to you, man.
But on private property, though.
I got you. I'm not here to do anything crazy. I just want to see what's going on.
I'm saying come up on here on private property, though.
No. If you don't got no issue talking to him, just come up here. You're not coming down.
I got you. Where's the female at that you were arguing with?
She got her ass up front.
Up front. Okay.
I called you right here. I did.
Okay. What's going on? What happened, man?
No, let her tell you. She the motherfucker called him.
I sure did.
Calling and shit.
Fuck you.
Hey, keep.
Disrespectful ass.
Sir, keep coming here.
Fuck you.
No, but you talking to me, though.
I just don't want y'all to argue.
But you see, she's starting this shit.
I got you. I don't want y'all arguing while I'm trying to talk to you guys.
You talking to me?
Shut up, talk.
Bald head, bitch. No, she's messing with me, bro.
Let's go here, man.
My mama live here.
Let's go here, man.
She's right here.
She shouldn't have bothered me, man. I was calmed down.
Hey, sir, can we just go to my car?
No,
I just want to separate you.
I'm on private property.
I'm not gonna arrest you, okay?
You can't arrest me. I ain't did shit.
Exactly. Can we just go over here? I don't want y'all arguing while I'm trying to talk to you. Hey, sir, come on.
I've got my clothes on the damn back porch. I got somebody coming to get me.
Hey, go this way then.
I just want to talk to you.
I'm trying to
Close it this way. Go this way.
Hey, what's your name, man?
I ain't did nothing. You ain't got no reason to ask my name.
Well, you're involved in an incident where
Ain't no damn what incident? What incident? Man, I know. Man, state me the law. State me the statute code where I have to give you my name.
We are investigating an incident that happened.
What incident? What incident?
We don't know. We're trying to figure that out.
It ain't no incident then. How you gonna make something be an incident that ain't an incident? You just started this.
Look, the more you cooperate with me, the easier this is.
I'm not cooperating. I've been doing this since I've been 8 years old. 1990.
What have you been doing since you've been 8 years?
This fucking system, the same system since I've been 8 years old.
Okay, what's your name, man?
I'm not giving you my name until you tell me what statute code that says I have to give you my name. They have to be in compliance, and I haven't done nothing.
Listen, as a police officer, I am investigating a situation right now, so you have to give me your name.
I don't have. Just tell me.
Yeah, I'm investigating a situation.
I'm not-violent. Just show me.
I got
you can't violate my rights.
I'm not violating your rights.
But let me get you on camera first.
Go ahead. You do what you need to do.
So why do I have to give you my name, Ackley?
Because I am investigating a situation.
What's your badge number?
309.
309.
Yep.
Now, what are you investigating? The person that called you is up front.
Right.
I suggest that's who you should go talk to.
You were involved in an incident, right?
No, I'm not involved in no incident.
Can you at least tell me what happened?
Nothing happened.
Okay. So why are you upset?
She don't live here. I ain't got nothing else to say. I don't have nothing else to say, man.
All right.
I haven't done nothing wrong.
All right.
And I'm on private property.
Yes, you are.
Get up.
I'm not trying to cause any problems. Like I said, I was just trying to help you out, see what's going on, see if we can fix anything. The only reason why I wanted you to come back here is because y'all start arguing. I don't want y'all to start arguing.
No, she started it. Check this out. If somebody hit you, you have a right to defend yourself. I don't give a fuck who say it. Fuck being a police, fuck being a judge, fuck being a Christian or a Muslim. You have a right to protect yourself.
You're not wrong.
I know every law, backward and forward.
Do you?
Every law. Every motherfucking law. If
great.
I'm somewhere in it, or around, or involved, or been through that way, I know it. I read it. I'm well read.
That's awesome. I hope you are.
You ain't got to hope I am. I am. It don't matter.
I got you.
309 or 309?
309, 309, however you want to say it.
One is a letter, technically.
Nope. 309.
Yeah, that's it. That's
Same difference.
No, it's not the same difference.
Yeah, it is.
You can't spell with a zero.
Make sure you spell my last name correct too. It's ACKLEY.
I'm gonna spell it.
Okay.
I know somebody in your family. I swear to God, I know your fucking family.
I hope you do
know your family.
That's fine. You want my business card too? I can give that to you as well.
Yeah, give it to me.
All right. You go, sir.
I know everybody.
Me too.
No, you don't. You don't know who I am. You're gonna ask my name. I ain't did nothing. I would give you my name any other time. I'm not on no bullshit with you, but you just can't punk me out of my name when I know my rights.
I wasn't punking you out of your name. I'm investigating a situation here.
Hey, yo, fam. The police out here. I'm out here recording this real quick. I hit you back. Now everybody don't want to come up here and
What's the problem?
a disabled.
We're still trying to figure it out. We got called here and we just saw him with his shirt off, thought he was involved, so.
Motherfucker won't let me vent. Only thing I was doing was walking and venting.
You said it was what that happened and you assume he involved in it.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. He's saying incident.
Nope. So we got a call saying, get to now.
Yeah, but I'm just asking what's going on.
Yeah, I'm trying to figure that out. I don't know.
I'm back here by myself.
I just saw him with his shirt off.
But where did you see me coming from, though?
That way.
No, I was from right here. I was walking that way.
Right, but we have you on cameras walking. with your shirt, taking your shirt off, like you were upset. That's why I saw you. You looked like you were in distress. I wanted to help you out. I wanted to know what was going
I
on.
don't care. Don't nobody got no business f***ing with me though.
I'm not messing with you, man.
Like, okay, you said y'all got a call. What did the call say?
The call was literally get to now, and that's it. I hung up. At that point, we think something's happening, so we have to get here if it's an emergency. If someone's getting shot or someone's getting hurt or in danger, and they say come to, we're gonna show up as fast as we can. Yes.
Oh, I understand that, but I was just trying to see why y'all was here.
That's why we're here. We're still trying to investigate the situation.
He over here like he guarding me and shit.
I just don't want anybody to leave.
No, but I'm saying you don't want nobody to leave. I can goddamn leave if I want to. I ain't dead, but he's saying he don't want nobody to leave.
Well, he didn't say nobody was being detained for anything, and he still said he don't even know why he here.
Yeah, I ain't. He told me I gotta give him my name. He said I gotta give him my name.
Because I'm investigating a matter. Yes.
I'm not part of the matter though. Just because you see me with my shirt off.
I don't know that for sure.
So you assuming me? My bad if you think I disrespected you or you felt any.
To be fair, I'm a police officer. People disrespect me all the time. Were y'all just arguing? Was that all it was?
No, most call me out my name, a bunch of bitches and shit. But I'm not saying
it was
nobody.
Just a little argument. You staying here right now, or?
No, I stay around the corner. Not no more though. But that's over with. Motherfucker stole all my goddamn shit out my motherfucking change, the kids, piggy bank, all type of shit.
As of right now, until we have any more information, I can't let you leave.
You can't let me leave?
No.
How you can't let me leave?
Because we're investigating a matter. We're trying to figure it out.
Hold up, man.
Can you hang out back here?
No, I'm about to, hold up. You can't detain me. I haven't done nothing. I'm not going nowhere.
I got you. That's all I was letting you know, man.
So he telling me I can't leave until they finish doing whatever they're doing.
We're
but I got a
investigating a
ride
matter.
on the way.
Yeah, that's true. You can't do that.
So am I being detained is what I want to know.
You're being detained right now. This whole thing's under investigation, so yeah, you're being detained.
Under what? Under what law? Under what statute? Under what statute?
There's no statute for it. We're here for investigation.
But your investigation got to be under some statute or a code.
Investigating you in that situation right there.
What situation is it though?
You know what situation it is.
No, hold up. I know what it is. How you gonna tell me I know what it is?
Because you know all your laws. Remember you said that earlier.
Yeah. So what I do if I got a piss then?
Hold it for a little bit.
Man, what the is going on? Well, I can't piss. I can't go nowhere.
We're investigating a matter. An incident occurred that we need to investigate. That's why we're here.
Man, this shit bullshit, man.
Well,
Can I go piss behind the tree then?
On,
Can I go piss behind the tree?
I'll go with you.
I don't fuck about you going with me. Can I go piss without getting in trouble? Can I piss?
I'm not saying, as long as you're in my eyesight, you're good.
Hey, man, please don't walk behind me, please.
I'm right here.
No, I'm just like, please.
I got you.
Hey, calm down.
They surrounded me.
We're not surrounding you. We're just making sure you don't leave.
God damn, man. I don't need both of y'all. You can fuck.
One of y'all, hey, some of y'all, it's a lot of moving going on.
Hey, it's just because he's being belligerent right now. If he had
I'm not. I gotta piss. I may have to piss and
That's
get in
why
here.
we're both following you.
I just need to piss. That's it. Can I piss in front of one of you guys?
Yeah, go ahead and put your hands on your back.
Hold on. Please don't grab me. Please
Put your
don't
hands
grab me,
behind your back.
please.
Put your hands behind
Please
your back.
don't. Hey, listen. Man, that's real live bullshit though, man.
Why he being
I didn't even do nothing. Man, I just got a job today, man. That's up. I literally just got a job. Hold up. So why didn't nobody take my side? That's what
You wouldn't talk to me to get your side.
No, that's what I want to know, man.
I was trying to get your side this whole time.
It sounds like this entire time they've been trying to get information from you and you haven't been helping.
You don't got to grab my arm. I'm not running, man. I'm a diabetic.
What do you do, man?
Please.
Domestic against who?
I'm sorry, what?
Domestic for
They have all that information.
Badge
So the
number
guy,
or name?
you threw a football at your aunt.
No, I didn't throw the football at my aunt. I did not throw no goddamn football at her. You just blindly taking what she say and you pinning this shit on me, man. That don't make no sense, man. Ain't no video. It's just literally her word against mine. And when you came, I was walking up taking my shirt off, right? Tell the truth.
Yeah,
You had your shirt off, yes.
Yeah.
So he's getting arrested for obstructing because you.
I didn't obstruct.
Just hold up. I'm trying to ask this. I'm trying to see
So he's
what's
getting
going on.
arrested
Hey, I
for
lost my goddamn job the first day.
obstructing and domestic.
No, man,
this
listen, but
point-
she lying though.
You should have gave me your side of the story.
No, I'm not talking about that point. I'm talking.
All right.
No, listen, hold on. I'm not resisting, man. I'm
You
not.
are if you don't go. That's resisting if you don't go.
Man, that's
So-
crazy, man. That's some crazy shit. Man, that is crazy. I still got a twist on it. I mean, listen.
Hey, anything's gonna poker stick me.
No, sir, but look, check this out.
Here, face the car.
listen, look.
Face the hood of the car.
Man, I'm not doing it.
You can talk to us while we
So-
search. We can talk while we search.
Man, I like to look a man in the eye. I'm not running, and I'm not resisting arrest, man.
no one
No,
says
check this out. Please,
You're not.
please.
You're not. You're standing right here. You're not resisting.
Only thing I want to do is turn around and look y'all.
You can
Man,
look-
look.
you can look at me
Check
right
this
here.
out. If all four of y'all line up, or one,
You can put
and
gloves
two in the
on
front
if
of
you
me,
got
man,
them,
there is
whatever.
no motherfucking way.
You're not resisting, dude. You're cool.
Damn. Hey, look, man. All I'm saying is you're literally taking me to jail from one person's side of the story, man.
And obstructing identification.
I didn't obstruct. I just asked him to read me the law. That's it.
I tried to read you the law about I'm investigating a matter.
No,
And
but
you would
listen,
not-
I
you would
asked for the
not
statute,
cooperate.
man.
There is no statute on that.
All right. I guess put me in the car. So if I say she hit me and I show a scar, you're not gonna go lock her up though.
I'll 100% take your statement on it.
I gotta piss. I'm trying to tell you, I'm a diabetic. Just take me to the county. Just take me to the county, man. Take me to the county. I'm ready to lay down. This bullshit, man. And that shit damn gonna stick on me, man. That shit gonna stick on me for her lying. And I bet I put all her kids in jail for every motherfucking piece of dope. Jessica Rush, everybody going down. All you bitches going down. I want to speak to the marshals. I want to speak to the U.S. Marshals. Every phone call getting seen.
This suspect was charged with obstructing identification, and his domestic violence charge was changed to a disorderly conduct charge. He is innocent.
And there you have it, folks. A textbook example of how a domestic disturbance call can escalate from a simple welfare check into a full-blown arrest involving multiple charges and constitutional rights arguments. Let me break down what we just witnessed and the legal implications that make this case absolutely fascinating. First, let's address the elephant in the room: the suspect's repeated demands for statute codes and his refusal to provide identification. In most jurisdictions, police officers do have the authority to request identification during an investigation, especially when responding to a domestic violence call. The legal doctrine of reasonable suspicion allows officers to detain individuals who may be connected to criminal activity, even without formal charges. However, the suspect wasn't entirely wrong about knowing his rights. The specifics vary by state, and some require articulable facts beyond just being present at a scene. What's particularly striking here is how the suspect demonstrated both legal knowledge and fatal misunderstanding simultaneously. Yes, he correctly identified that officers need reasonable suspicion to detain someone, but he failed to recognize that responding to a domestic violence call where he was allegedly involved does provide that reasonable suspicion. The officers repeatedly explained they were investigating a matter, which is legally sufficient for a Terry stop under the Fourth Amendment. Now, let's talk about that domestic violence allegation, throwing a football at his aunt. This might sound minor, but domestic violence charges don't require serious injury. In most states, any unwanted physical contact between family members can constitute domestic violence, even something as seemingly harmless as throwing an object. The fact that there was no video, as the suspect pointed out, doesn't matter legally. Witness testimony is evidence, and domestic violence cases often rely on victim statements and circumstantial evidence. The obstruction charge is where things get legally interesting. The suspect argued he was simply asking for statute codes and exercising his rights. However, obstruction of justice typically includes deliberately impeding an investigation, and refusing to provide identification during a lawful detention can qualify. The key legal question is whether the initial detention was lawful, and given the domestic violence call and the suspect's apparent agitation, most courts would likely find it was. What's absolutely crucial to understand is the escalation pattern we witnessed. The suspect started relatively calm but became increasingly confrontational as officers pressed for identification. This is classic behavioral evidence that prosecutors love to present. It suggests consciousness of guilt, or at minimum, obstruction of the investigation. His comment about knowing everybody and threats about putting all her kids in jail for dope certainly didn't help his case. The officer's handling raises some interesting procedural questions. They allowed him to urinate while detained, which shows reasonable accommodation for basic human needs. However, the multiple officers surrounding him could be argued as excessive for a non-violent domestic dispute. The suspect's point about feeling surrounded isn't legally relevant to obstruction charges, but it does speak to proper de-escalation techniques. Here's what makes this case particularly compelling from a legal standpoint. The charges were ultimately modified. The domestic violence charge was reduced to disorderly conduct, which suggests either insufficient evidence for the more serious charge or prosecutorial discretion based on the circumstances. This is actually quite common in domestic violence cases, where physical evidence is limited and witness credibility becomes crucial. The suspect's final demands to speak with U.S. Marshals show a fundamental misunderstanding of federal versus local jurisdiction. U.S. call. Marshals handle federal crimes and fugitive apprehension. They wouldn't be involved in a local domestic dispute unless federal crimes were alleged. From a constitutional perspective, this case perfectly illustrates the tension between individual rights and police authority during investigations. The suspect wasn't wrong that he has rights, but he misapplied them to a situation. Knowing every law backward and forward clearly didn't include understanding when those laws actually apply. The real tragedy here. The suspect mentioned getting a job that very day and losing it due to the arrest. This highlights how domestic violence allegations can have immediate, life-altering consequences beyond just criminal charges. Employment, housing, and family relationships all suffer. For viewers wondering about the legal outcome, remember that disclaimer: innocent until proven guilty. The charges of obstruction and disorderly conduct would need to be proven beyond a reasonable doubt. Given the body cam evidence of his refusal to cooperate and increasingly agitated behavior, the obstruction charge would likely stick. The disorderly conduct charge for the domestic incident would depend heavily on witness testimony and the aunt's credibility. This case serves as a perfect reminder that knowing your rights is important, but understanding when and how to exercise them is equally crucial. Simply shouting about statute codes while refusing lawful police commands isn't exercising constitutional rights, it's obstruction. What did you think about this case? Do you believe the suspect's rights were violated, or did he bring the charges on himself through his behavior? Was the police response proportional to the situation, or should they have handled it differently? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I love hearing different perspectives on these complex legal situations. If you found this case as shocking as we did, make sure to hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more jaw-dropping body cam breakdowns. We've got plenty more cases that'll make you question everything you thought you knew about law enforcement and constitutional rights.